And here we are, back at another one. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to yet another bath and shower tile ideas. This property is about 1,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Appraisal value is about $850,000. Here is the small master bathroom that we're going to remodel. This should probably take us approximately 6 to 7 days. Let's show you the existing shower, the existing small, as you can see, bathroom here. So here's the floor. We've got about 20 to 25 square feet for flooring. We have a small vanity area. We will install a 24-inch vanity here, quartz top, install a new smaller slimline toilet, and here is the shower. We have a giant large curb. This is where the niche placement will be, 12 by 20 niche, vertical with a shelf. We will install a new valve and trim kit, center it there, raise the shower head, remove this, remove the tile on the ceiling, install drywall for the ceiling. So we're gonna get back to it, get to work. Time for some demo. All right, let's take a look at this curb. Again, I believe it is floated. Looks like we have Wonder Board. So again, we got pad liner here. So we have pan liner, Wonder Board. Let's take a look what's behind this wall here. All right, it's been about 1 hour. We have 2 side walls off. We're gonna start removing this pan and the back wall. Just remove the curb. Let's quickly show you. So here's the curb, again, pan liner. It looks like there was not much water damage. This shower has held up quite a bit. Got this strange contraption over here with this plumbed valve, mixing valve, but yeah, all is going well. We're gonna continue here. Looks like we have a rip right here in the pan liner. And it looks like it's been leaking for quite some time here. Fortunately, this was a dry pack and it's on a concrete slab or concrete foundation. If this was on a subfloor or a second story, there would be major water damage. Now removing the tiled ceiling. And we're back, guys. We have some curdy board up on the wall. It's time to install our dry pack shower pan. This is going to be a seal system. This is what we're going to install here. This is to retrofit a Schluter drain kit to your existing flange. Let me show you what it looks like. So here it is, adapter kit, Schluter drain kit to retrofit. Let's open it up and show you what it looks like, guys. Got your corners. There's your adapter and your Schluter Curdy flange. So here's the adapter. We sometimes have to drill our own holes for the bolts. We now install some Curdy Fix here and bolt this down and begin our dry pack installation. now gonna curdy fix our curb top. Got our auger to mix a dry pack. And what you want to look for is to have a consistency of a snowball for your dry pack mortar bed. Just like that. And here we are, the end of day 3. Let's quickly show you what we're done so far, what needs to be done. Here's the shower. Again, we demoed everything, removed the old shower, old valve, shower pan. We installed a dry pack here with a Schluter drain kit. All of our board is up right now. We installed and plumbed our Hansgrohe mixing valve, raised the shower head. Also plumbed our diverter here. Of course, all of the walls are square, as you can see there. That's at a 90. Proper pitch and slope towards the drain, actually quite a bit more, 3.8%. We like to have more pitched when we install penny sheeted mosaics, so we get better flow of water towards the drain. So we are ready again for waterproofing this shower, and we will install a ledger board here and begin tiling, which should take approximately 2 days to tile the shower. Moving on with the build. Let's quickly show you the material and type of tile we are going to use for the shower. So here it is. Penny mosaic. This is for the shower pan, shower floor. Here's our grout. The color is driftwood by Prism. Here is the field wall tile. It's supposed to resemble handmade tiles. The corners are not square. The edges are wavy. It has a sheen to it, so it will look a bit like glass when it's up. But again, this is the field wall tile we're going to install at a 50% brick pattern offset. And here is the gray quartz, the light gray quartz we're going to use for the curb and the niche sill, as well as the niche shelf. So here we go. Well, there it is. Part 1 is over. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see part 2 of this beautiful shower and bathroom completed, don't forget to tap that subscribe button down there. And if you want to help my channel, the best way to do that is to also tap the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.